Alright guys, today we're gonna cook okra and smoked fish, one of our favorite food. And here we go.
We're making some fried okra and smoked fish. The oil is nice and hot.
Yeah. I know a lot of folks like okra and saltfish. I like that too, but today we're gonna put smoked fish. And this is the smoked fish here. Again, some people cook it a little different. They will add this smoked fish when you throw in the okra first, but I decide to do it this way here. It smells really good.
There's a good mix in there.
Again guys, if you guys didn't subscribe to the channel, please do so. Hit the notification bell.
We'll take all the subscriptions we can get, so invite your friends over, tell them about Cooking with Vish and Nalini, tell your buddies, tell your homegirls, tell your homeboys, family, friends. Yeah, we're all one big family.
I put in some green seasoning here, 2 small spoons. You can add as much as you wanted. And this is just for me and Nalini. So I'll let that saute for a few minutes and then add this sweet okra. And I had left this on the counter, you can show them here, to dry a little bit. So I had shipped this up yesterday. As you can see, it wasn't in the sun. Some people put it in the sun, but we have snow out here. So this is nice and it looks crunchy, very light. It looks like it was in the sun, but it was not. And now we're gonna add our okra in here. This is a nice, easy and simple recipe. A lot of people like okra. They put it in fish curry. They cook it just like that, whole. They put it in soup. There's so many different ways you can cook okra.
What do you guys like your okra with? Rice, oil roti, sada roti, baked. Leave a comment in the comment section. I like my okra with sada roti.
Yeah.
Or otherwise known as pita bread.
Yeah. And I like my okra to be a little burnished, a little bit, right?
Yeah.
A little crispy, toasty.
Okay.
And guys, if this is gonna get slimy, one thing you can do is add some vinegar.
Right.
But I'm trying not to add any vinegar in it. So this was sitting out since yesterday. Yeah. Well, of course, we cover it up and stuff like that.
So a little vinegar prevents it from getting the slimy, the slime. Yeah.
So if you want to cook some okra, what you should do, chip it up from a couple days before and leave it. Do not put it in the fridge because it will get slimy when you take it out from the fridge or from the freezer. Because I used to freeze okra by the pack, and as soon as you take it out and I put it in here, it starts getting slimy. Because that's what we do for winter time. Chip and freeze. Same goes for the spinach, but the spinach you can freeze it all you want. It comes out nice.
Yep.
Alright folks, so we're throwing some crushed pepper. A little bit more black pepper. And I'll throw in some salt in here. Hopefully it doesn't release too much water. Let's see how it goes. Guys, it smells so good.
Guys,
we're gonna have okra with,
and we have some stewed tilapia fish here with potatoes. These tilapia we brought back from Guyana a few months ago.
Yeah.
So they're right out from the back dam.
Wild caught.
Well, it's wild caught. There you go. So check that out. It's stewed tilapia. Yummy.
And we're gonna have okra
And
inside.
we have some okra with smoked fish. That's our veggie.
Yeah.
There you go.
And as you can see, the okra is not slimy. It's it's coming out really good.
It's dry.
It's drying.
Yeah.
It's burning up a little bit. That's what we want. And I'm not gonna cook it too much down, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, we like it a little crispier, the crispier side of things.
And again, guys, if you didn't subscribe, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell.
Don't forget to tell your family and friends about our really awesome channel on YouTube, Cooking with
channel.
Vish and Nalini. Yep. Check us out. We cook, we have fun, we play music.
Entertaining you guys.
Yeah.
We love your support. Thanks for all these beautiful comments. Yeah.
Thank you guys as always for leaving your comments, all of you, all of your comments. We appreciate it. We have fun reading it and responding. And check the okra and smoked fish. Smoked fish. You know what I like? stewed smoked fish and bake.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
Saltfish and bake too.
Yeah, saltfish and bake, but I prefer the smoked
Yeah.
fish.
Dry fish.
Yeah.
All right, folks. It looks done here to me, and I'm not gonna cook it up more, but this is how we like it. You can cook yours a little bit more. And my fish, the smoked fish, did not lost in here. It's still here in whole pieces, as you can see, and it have a lot of flavor in here.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. So again, guys, if you guys didn't subscribe to our channel, Cooking with Vish and Nalini on YouTube, please do so. And hit that notification bell.
And we'd appreciate it.
Yep. Once again, thanks. One love. And peace out.